y'all, it's your girl Lashaii, whatever you want to say, and I is back with another video. If you're a new viewer, what's good, what's popping? If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's popping, and flow it, okay? Today, this hair review and install is going to be on the WESTKISS hair. I did my baby hairs. I did it on a different video, so I may just insert the clip so you guys can see how I did my baby hairs and everything. Because I didn't get to film them on the camera. My camera died. So yeah, this hair is 22 inches, and honey, it's pretty long for 22 inches. I believe it was 22 inches, because that's what it has said. Well, I'm gonna put it in the description box so to make sure. Because yeah, I think it was 22 inches, and it's really long. Let me see. Yeah, this one's 22 inches. Okay. So far this hair has been doing very well. I had it in for a week, and it's very minimal shedding. Okay, so the hair, I dyed it black, bleached the knots, plucked it a little bit, not that much because it was already plucked. So this is how the hair looks. I love it. I love how I did the install. You know, I'm getting better at this, so it's just taking time. But I'm really getting better at my installs. But so far, I love this hair. This is gonna be like probably my go-to wig. Like once I get tired of a hairstyle, I would just throw this one on. But yeah, I don't have any complications with the hair. I don't have nothing bad to say. I literally just wrap my hair up at night and we be Gucci. Put a bonnet on, and yeah. Interested in seeing me tweak this hair and install it, keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and turn on your post notifications so you guys know when I post a new video. So this is the box that it comes in. This is from WESTKISS. It's a little beat up. I don't know what happened. It's beat up. So inside the box, it was the wig. That's why I was like this, because there was so much stuff in here. But it had the wig in there. It has, I don't even know what this is. Let me see. Okay, so this is a little head wrap, I guess, at nighttime. And then also we have, we got bonnets. They're giving out bonnets now, y'all. So here's a bonnet. Is this reversible, or? I feel like it's reversible, so you can do a black one, or it can be red. They didn't start making more reversible bonnets. It'll come in handy. And then I got, I think this is a head scarf. Let's see. So yeah, we have another head wrap right here. And then we have another head wrap. Girl, they gave me about 1,000 head wraps, Jesus Christ. Some lashes. Another dark, what's this called? Wig cap. And then a little duster bag for the wig. Full. So what we're gonna do today with the wig, I really wanted to do like a color, but I don't think the hair stores is open for me to get the stuff I need to do color. But so here is the wig. This is 22 inches. I wanted to give, like, you know, a side part with like waves and stuff, like a cute little grown hairstyle, nothing too dramatic. So here is the lace. I'm gonna dye it, bleach the knots and everything. This one, and we're gonna probably do some curls or something, I don't know. We're gonna see what it's giving. But this hair is so thick, Jesus. Nice and thick right here. And then the lace. So let me work my magic, and then we'll be back with the install.
never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.